The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty takes you on a tour of 2105 Deer Path, Mountain Home, Arkansas. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath ranch with over 1,670 square feet of living area is located in Carlisle Highlands, a beautiful and peaceful community just on the outskirts of town. This home has a 2-car garage and features a bright, airy sunroom with plenty of windows to enjoy the lovely backyard. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
Hey, John.
And our teammate Marcia Taylor.
Thank you.
And Marcia, tell us what we're looking at today.
Okay, we're at 2105 Deer Path Road, and this is in the Carlisle Highlands subdivision. We've got city water and city sewer, and we're getting ready to walk into a home that has 2 bedrooms and 2 baths and 1,625 square feet.
Awesome.
Shall we go in?
Yes.
Come on, John.
Well, hi, John.
Well, John, how'd you do that?
I come through the walls. I always do that.
He does.
It scares people, but I do.
Anyway.
Well, Marcia, I like how open this is through here.
So we have nice engineered hardwood floors throughout the house, same flooring. This is our living space right here, and dining room.
You could put a nice sized table in here.
You can. And then you also you can walk straight on through here to the family room or sunroom or 3rd bedroom if you wanted it to be.
This is awesome. And if you wanted to keep this a little bit more private, you could probably put some French doors in right here.
Absolutely.
This is a nice space.
It's a very nice space.
Oh. There goes
Well,
John's
John,
head.
looks like you're going to be replacing a...
Okay. And there's these right here.
Yep, and it's all move-in ready. It's in wonderful condition.
I really love this space.
And great windows. And then
it's all of your backyard.
You have 2 fences in the backyard. You've got chain link fence up here if you wanted to keep a dog and let it run in the open area. And then over to this side of the house, there's an extra fencing so that, you know, if you didn't want the dog, if you wanted to have a party back out here but wanted to leave the dog out in the rest of the yard,
there you go.
You could do that too.
Nice little deck area, perfect for grilling.
Nice tree.
Well, I'm excited to look at the kitchen because I'm kind of hungry right now.
All right, let's go.
I love how everything is very convenient in here. It's nice and wide too.
Yeah, there's enough room for a couple of people to work in here. Yeah, I like that. And then you've got actually 2 ovens. A smaller oven, warming oven, but could use as a regular oven up above.
Get your ham and your turkey or your casseroles in there.
Your casseroles up above, yep.
Now, are all of the appliances staying?
All of the appliances are staying, including the washer and dryer.
Very nice.
And you've it's all electric. You've got your washer dryer here, hot water heater, all in the same place.
And I like right here in this little nook, you could put like a little breakfast table, a little pub style table, so you can have your breakfast overlooking your backyard, your coffee.
Looking outside and do some landscaping.
Yeah. And Marcia, what's through this door right here?
This is the garage.
Ooh.
2-car garage.
Ah, this may be the brightest garage I've seen. It's very nicely lit.
It is well lit. And you have access to the attic in here.
And I like that you have an exterior door right here. Not a lot of homes have an exterior door from the garage. All right, John, let's go look at the bedrooms.
Oh, we gotta do this anyway.
And just down the hallway, you have a couple of closed closet doors, linen closets. And here's another one here. And I think we should show them the master bedroom first.
That sounds like a great idea, Heather.
This is the master, has 2 nice sized closets.
Ooh, Marsha, how
With
deep
light.
is that closet? That's
About shoulder deep.
okay. Do it again.
Yep, she can fit. Well, I'm very excited about the bathroom. John,
Yes.
go check out
Very
that
nice
jacuzzi tub.
tub in there.
Oh boy, I'll tell you what. Cold, backache, nice to come in and get me warm bath.
That's right.
Yes, it does. After a weekend of working in the yard, this would be really a lot of fun. Well, John, would you like to see the second bedroom?
Yeah, let's go.
Over here. And you have some lighting above the bed.
This is a pretty good size.
It is a nice size.
I like that the engineered hardwood floors are carried out throughout the bedrooms as well.
I do too. I love that factor. Yeah, it makes the house flow really nicely. And so your closet here is 2 layers.
Yeah, John, come on in here. You have a nice vanity, super cute bathroom, and you got a shower tub. Plenty of space in here. And Marsha, we forgot to mention, but the blinds are staying. Those are really nice blinds and double pane windows.
Yep,
Makes it very airy and light in here.
it does.
I just can't get over this room, it's so big.
It is, yeah. And especially with it opening up into that little sunroom, family room, whatever you want to use it for. John, you want to take a look at the backyard?
You better, yeah.
I do like that it has, it's fenced all the way around.
Yeah, it's nice deck.
Privacy fence.
Sit up. And Marsha's the storage shed staying?
The storage shed stays.
Sweet. If you wanted to, you could put a ramp up there and load up your lawnmower.
That's exactly
Keep
right.
all your garden tools back there.
Yep.
It's a really nice sized backyard, perfect for family gatherings or if you have friends over, of pets, kids.
Yep, it'd be great for pets.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
Nice little subdivision.
And not far from Callista Willette Park.
Yeah, I forgot there's walking trails and bike trails and baseball and
Yep.
softball fields just right here close.
Yep. Just down the street. Is that okay? We're ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, Heather, tell us how we find out more about this house.
Well, you can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
To find out more about this beautiful home or to schedule a showing, go to enjoytheozarks.com. On Google or Facebook, search for the Ozarks Team. The Ozarks Team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.